Ethan here and welcome back to RB, which is obviously, in my oldest live stream I told you what it means. So we're going to play Build a Boat for Treasure. So I'm with my friend right now. Say hi. Say hi. So she is recording a video also.
You're time to sleep.
Okay, so here we go.
Huh? It's time to sleep.
Mommy, I'm recording.
No, no, no. It's time to sleep.
No, I asked you. Stop. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so this is our boat. It looks boring, right? I have a lot of things we have to attach. Whoa, that is big.
You pause. Come on.
I wanna see how tall this is. Wanna see how Okay, no. Wanna see how tall this is?
Come on, drink water.
Whoa! It's like 50.5 feet tall. It's like 50.5. Dude, can we climb this? No, we cannot. I'm trying to go. I'm trying to get. Okay. Guess I'll just remove, clear all. Okay, clear. Clear everything. Oh my gosh, why do I keep jumping? Okay, stop. Bro, I have to reset. Shh, stop because I only have 3. You YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? Okay. Okay, so we have to. So I have a lot of things, and we even have this. We have this. We have a cannon. I have a cannon. Let's see. Oh, I even grabbed these what is this? Bro, I don't understand. I don't understand, bro. We're okay. So and guys, we're so close to 60 subs. So everyone, please like and subscribe. We only have 2 more subscribers left. So this is going to be the base. Yo! I can't believe how many blocks I have. Well, I just have this basic one. Oh wait, somebody's doing that choice game. Should I go live? Bro, yes. Of course you should go live. I don't post live anymore because in the current post. So I'm sorry if I skipped anything in the video. It's just that there's a bro AFK. Okay, so back. Okay, that was only for like sorry. That was only for like a few seconds. I thought it was going to be long. Oh, go. Then we just place it there. Is that matches? Does that matches? Yeah, it does. Bro, it's already moving. Stop. Okay, there's a cannon which we can use. Wait, this is actually low-key kind of dangerous. Oh, we added the cannon. Wait, you know what these fireworks do, right? They set you up, it is higher up in the sky. Whoa, I have these floor type blocks which we are going to use today. Oh, dang it. Lit. It's gonna be lit. And make sure you subscribe to her. She only has 3. I'm more than her. So please subscribe to Chloe. She's amazing. I watch her videos. I watch her vid. Big fan. I have 58 subs. I have 58 subs. Okay. So, guys, bro. Okay, so guys, I think this is supposed to be a short one. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And remember, this is episode 1. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.